Hello everyone, we get questions all the time on how to clean technology, and since it's the end of the school year, it's a really good time to take this opportunity to polish what is in the classroom. The quickest and easiest way is to get a damp rag, wring it out any extra water, and lightly scrub. If it's drenched, keep wringing it out. Using an antibacterial solution is even better.
Aaron here with a couple Synergy date reminders. TeacherVue will be turned off on May 31st at 3 p.m. for all teachers. Those staff members who are teaching summer school will still have access through the end of summer school. For the 23-24 school year, TeacherVue will be re-enabled for all staff on August 3rd, 2023.
Lastly, Dave here with a quick follow-up for our kindy teachers, so that come fall, you'll know what is available to you and your students in the classroom. Your classroom set of devices will consist of 8 iPads, and the balance of devices will be touchscreen Chromebooks. We are redistributing some of the iPads to other classrooms, placing one in each classroom for grades 1 through 5. This device will make it easier to make seesaw posts. In addition, 8 iPads will go to elementary STEM classrooms, and 8 iPads will go to elementary art rooms. Over the summer, we'll be working on refurbishing and preparing them for use. On behalf of the SIS and Solution team, thank you for all your hard work this year. Summer is right around the corner. Thank you and have a great rest of the school year. It didn't scroll, so hold on. You needed that, didn't you?
For the 22-23, I just gave the wrong year. Dang it! Aaron here with a Synergy date reminders.
Thank you and have a great rest of the school year.